how to empty trash or recycle bin on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, is your trash taking up a lot of space and you want to delete it? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to search for your Files app because all of your trash are stored there. Go to My Files and then scroll down and you'll find trash under utilities. Tap on it, and then here you'll be able to find all the things that you have deleted. So these items will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So if you want to delete before 30 days, then you can tap on select option on the top right and select the files, the videos and the photos that you want to delete. Tick on it, and then you'll find delete option on the bottom right. Just tap on delete and then tap on permanently delete the files. And that's it. It's as simple as that to empty your recycle bin. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.